Natural and home remedies for epilepsy. Epilepsy is a neurological disorder that causes repeated seizures or fits. Seizure episodes can last for very brief periods to long periods. The seizures occur due to bursts of electrical activity in the brain that are not normal. Experts do not yet know what causes epilepsy. The main symptom of epilepsy is repeated seizures that happen without warning. This can lead to convulsions and problems with muscle control, movement, speech, vision or awareness. At times, a person may also faint or lose consciousness. Often, the onset of epilepsy happens during early childhood or after age 60, but it can occur at any age. Certain factors increase your risk of epilepsy, including family history, a head injury, strokes and other vascular diseases, brain tumors, dementia, brain infections, lead poisoning, prenatal brain development problems, and Alzheimer's disease. Epileptic seizures can be scary, but they do not cause mental illness or intellectual disability. In addition, not everyone who has seizures has epilepsy. Usually, at least 2 or more seizures within 24 hours are required for a diagnosis of epilepsy. Fortunately, you can control and reduce seizures with medicines, lifestyle changes and herbal remedies. Here are some ways to deal with epilepsy. Coconut oil is highly effective in the treatment of epilepsy. The fatty acids, medium-chain triglycerides, in coconut oil have therapeutic effects on brain cells. Moreover, they supply energy for the brain cells, which helps relieve symptoms of epilepsy. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is also effective in reducing seizures in people with epilepsy. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt changes physiochemical cell relationships in the brain, which in turn lessens the frequency of seizures and convulsions. Limes. A popular Ayurvedic remedy for epilepsy is limes. Limes help improve blood circulation to the brain. Moreover, they help normalize excessive calcium that may hamper brain functionality. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and ½ teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it daily before going to bed. You can also apply fresh lime juice on your head and massage thoroughly for a few minutes. Do this daily before taking a shower. Garlic. Garlic is also useful in treating epilepsy. Its antioxidant, antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties help destroy harmful free radicals in the body and promote proper functioning of the nervous system. This in turn prevents seizures and other epilepsy-related symptoms. Passion flower. The herb passion flower also helps reduce seizures. It contains a chemical known as crysine, which helps increase the amount of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain. This in turn reduces frequency of seizures as well as anxiety. Avoid passion flower if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Also, consult your doctor before taking this herb as it may increase the effects of anti-seizure medications. Winter melon. Winter melon, also known as ash gourd, is an effective home remedy for epilepsy due to its nutritional and medicinal properties. This vegetable helps keep the nervous system healthy and ensures smooth functioning of the brain cells. Exercise. Regular physical exercise improves fitness, energy and mood, which in turn helps reduce seizures and the impact of epilepsy on one's life. Moreover, exercise releases feel-good hormones into the brain and increases oxygen flow to the brain. Yoga. Yoga is an age-old practice that alleviates stress, induces relaxation and provides multiple health benefits for people with epilepsy. The combination of controlled deep breathing, physical postures and meditation helps control seizures and reduce other epilepsy symptoms. The top yoga poses for epilepsy are Balasana, child's pose; Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing; Kapodasana, pigeon pose; Sirsasana, headstand; Kamatkarasana, wild thing. Take necessary vitamins. A healthy diet is essential in the treatment of epilepsy. There are different vitamins that can help a lot. For instance, Vitamin E helps control the neurons that cause seizures and anxiety disorders. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a well-known treatment for seizures due to epilepsy. In acupuncture, pressure is applied to specific points on the body using fine needles. Although its mechanism is not known, acupuncture can help alter brain activity to reduce seizures by restoring the flow of qi, energy, throughout the body. Tips. Get enough sleep as sleep deprivation can trigger seizures. If you have seizures regularly, wear a medical alert bracelet. This will help people know about your condition. Manage stress and avoid stressful situations. Drink half glass of grape juice daily. Limit your intake of alcohol and avoid smoking. As low calcium and magnesium can trigger seizures, eat foods high in these nutrients. Keep a written record of any seizures you have and keep your doctor updated. Avoid all white products, including white sugar, white flour, table salt and white rice. Do not consume artificial sweeteners or additives. Do not skip meals, especially breakfast. Follow the ketogenic diet, even though the restrictions can be challenging. Ash gourd and licorice powder. Ash gourd is considered as one of the best remedies for seizures. Take 1 bowl of crushed ash gourd. Press it on a sieve and extract its juice. Add 3 teaspoons licorice powder. Mix well. Drink once a day. Avoid putting anything in the mouth of the patient during a seizure attack.